If you're sick and tired of fighting with your clogged drains, here are some quick tips that may help. The first thing to remember is that you need to always practice safety whenever you're working with commercial products. So always put your safety glasses on and always put rubber gloves on, because if any of these chemicals do splash up on your skin or your eyes, that can be really dangerous. So just make sure you have it all covered. And just pour your commercial products right down the drain. Now once you have the clog taken care of, here's a tip for properly maintaining your drain. For this part, you don't need your safety glasses or rubber gloves because we're only working with baking soda, vinegar, and hot water. Now that your drain is unclogged, periodically pour about a half a cup of baking soda and then a half a cup of vinegar down the drain. Now do you see how that's bubbling up like that? That's the vinegar and the baking soda working together to break down the fat and grease. Then flush the drain with some boiling hot water. This mixture will also keep your drain smelling fresh.